I am Mitsa Arroyo, and if you are a doll that loves fashion and beauty content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications because I post every Wednesday, and make sure to hit that like button on today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my press-on nails. So if you're interested, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Hi dolls, I hope everyone is having a good vacation so far. As you know, a lot of kids are on vacation right now, and we are going to a kids pool party today, so I had to get the nails done. I do want to thank Joyfay for sponsoring today's video. Hold them in place for 60 seconds to allow the glue to set. If you are a doll that loves press-on nails and you have tips and tricks to share on how to make them last longer, please leave them down in the comments below. Joyfay Fashion nails are made from soft gel and offer a fantastic alternative to salon nails. They won't deform, fade, split, or damage your natural nails. They're waterproof, vegan, and cruelty-free, and they make a great choice for anyone looking for high-quality, long-lasting nails. Before I show you the reveal, make sure to subscribe, and here is the final look. Ta-da! Here are the nails. I absolutely love them, and to be honest, I don't feel like they look like press-on nails. Now my last step is getting the file, and I'm just going to sand the edges a little bit just so they look a little bit more natural. If you are wondering what would be the process to take them off, all you would do is you would soak your nails in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you would use a stick to gently peel off the adhesive from the sides, and then just be careful not to force or pull on your nail during the process. Check out Joyfay Fashion's Amazon storefront. There is a current promotion, 30 to 40% off. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you stayed to the end, make sure to comment this emoji. Thank you for watching. Peace, peace, peace. If you want to know how long these nails last, make sure to ask me in the comments below. I will definitely give you an update. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you, God willing, on the next one. Bye. Okay, so I am back from the pool party, and I just want to say that my nails are still on. They did not come off. And I know that I gave a tip to do your nails at night because I feel they will last longer, and I still believe in that tip. Obviously, I did my nails earlier because I was going to a party, and also because I was doing this video to show you how I do my nails. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you they're still on. Bye!